God. Take my hand, treat me as if I'm Moses. I'll lead you to the fucking land of milk and honey.
Be scared of God.
Call me Moses.
The black man is God. 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 The black man is God.
I am Yeshua ben Yosef. I am Yeshua ben Yosef. And once you seen me, motherfucker, you seen the Father.
Get my shit right there. We here. Get my shit right there. We here.
Bow
down. Everything we do. Bow down to everything we do. The black man is God, nigga. First thing first. First thing first. First thing.
Hey, how they say, kiss my motherfucking Converse. The nigga got the glove.
My Converse. Kiss my melanin. Kiss my melanin. And first thing first, our woman gotta bow to us. Let me tell you something. First thing first, our woman gotta bow to us. Motherfucker. First thing first, our woman gotta bow to us and know that we God, nigga. We in control. Our woman gotta bow to us. Make your woman bow to you, nigga. First thing first, before you love her, make her bow to you. Make her bow to you. You the king, nigga. You the God of this earth. Don't you ever compromise that. You God, nigga. The white man ain't compromising shit, and you ain't gonna compromise nothing. The black man is God. The black man is God, nigga. Yeah, they got us behind bars, nigga. But the black man is God, nigga. Yeah. Huh? They don't want us to get crazy on that voodoo shit. They don't want us to be on that voodoo shit. They call us demons because we really on that voodoo shit.
Demon. Melon. Demon.
Yeah.
Melon.
Huh?
Demon.
Yeah.
Melon.
Yeah.
Demon.
Yeah.
Melon.
Yeah.
Demon.
Yeah.
Melon.
Yeah. Huh? Let's
You
go.
demonize me because you know who I am. I am Babylon.
Black man is God, huh? The black man is God. 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 And the black woman got a problem with that. She against us. She our fucking enemy because she is us. The black woman better be in tune with the fuck she are. We the head. We the head. We the lead. We the lead.
Six protons.
Six neutrons. We the head. We the head. We the fucking lead. We the lead.
6 electrons, 6 neutrons, 6 protons, 6 electrons, 6 neutrons, 6 protons, 6 neutrons, 6 electrons, 6 protons, 666, 666, baby.
Behind bars right now with they woman fucking another nigga. Fuck them. Stay strong. Yeah. Yeah, I feel your pain, nigga. So what, nigga? Yeah. 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 You don't come out. They don't want the truth to come out. Yeah, motherfucker. Fuck out of here, nigga. Yeah, Corona, I am Corona. I am Corona.
It's not playing no more. We not playing no more. We not humble no more. You kicking down the door with the 4-4.
Motherfucking trees off and you put them in.
We kicking down the door with the 4-4-4.
Fuck your pagan holiday. Fuck you.
Kick that door down with the 4-4-4. 4-4-4. 4-4-4. Come on. 369. 369. 369. 369.
Cut down trees for Christmas, hoe. You's a Christmas hoe. You Christmas hoe. You cut down Christmas trees. You cut down trees for Christmas. Fuck you and your pagan holiday.
Tell them, God, they destroyed the tree of life. The tree of knowledge is the tree of life.
We love the earth. 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 We love the earth.
The tree of knowledge is the tree of earth.
We love the earth. We love the earth. We love the earth. We love the earth. We love Mother Nature. We love 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 nature. The black man is God. 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 Yeah, nigga.
The woman always gave the man the fruit.
They want you.
The woman always gave the man the fruit. Thank you, Eve. Thank you for giving me the knowledge, Eve. Thank you for giving me the knowledge, Eve. You always gave me the fruit. Thank you, Eve. Thank you for opening my eyes, Eve. I realized that I am God. Thank you, Eve. You gave me the fruit.
Warrior shit, nigga. Warrior shit, nigga. The shit before you came here, you fucker. They done turned these black motherfuckers into white motherfuckers. These motherfuckers don't love nature. They don't love the earth.
Yes, I do, baby. I love my daughter.
Of humanity, yeah, they are enemy. Yeah.
My daughter is God. My daughter is God. I created Adam and Eve. I have a son and a daughter. I created them.
Black man is God.
And they was made in our image.
Black man is God.
I love my baby mother as well. Me and her came together, positive and a negative charge, and we created ourselves twice. Adam and Eve. I'll always forever be on this planet. Even though my physical may deteriorate and die, my soul and my spirit lives on. Bow to the King, because like I said, once you sing me, you sing the Father. Out of darkness, there came light. I am that light. I am that light. You can call me Lucifer, or you can call me the Christ. Either way, I am the morning star. Take my hand. Take my hand, and I will make a leader.
Come get me!
You touch my motherfucking garment, you will be healed. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am that nigga.
Fuck this world. This world ain't shit. Y'all don't give a fuck about no black man. Y'all don't give a fuck about a black man, but the black man is God. You give a fuck about the white man is above laws, and he break laws. He do everything. He do everything you accuse us of doing. You want to lock us behind bars, everything that you say that we do. The motherfucking leaders of your world are above law. They don't motherfucking get charged with the shit that we get charged with. But y'all put us behind bars, and we have to suffer their charges and their losses. But the first shall be last, and the last shall be first. This is our time. We will rise. We will come up. The black man is God. Y'all motherfuckers can't stand it. Y'all can't stand it because your master can't do nothing about the motherfucking energy that's coming. And I want you to know the black man is God. 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 The black man is God, nigga. The black man is God, nigga. You can't do nothing. You can't stop us. You can't stop us. You can't stop us. You can't stop us. The black man is God. If the black woman got a problem with it, she don't know who the fuck she is, because the black woman is the black man. Let's go. Yeah. Stop breaking the law. Fuck the law. The law ain't the law of the land. Before the law ain't the law of the land. The law of this motherfucking country ain't the law of the land. The law of the motherfucking universe, the law of nature, the laws of nature, the laws of nature, the laws of nature, the laws of nature. The black man is God. 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 And the black woman got a problem with that. She don't motherfucking know who the fuck she is. The black woman don't know who the fuck she is. The black man is God. 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 We are free. 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 I am Corona. I am Corona. I came here to fucking break your motherfucking breath, nigga, because you cut trees for Christmas. You cut trees for motherfucking Christmas. You cut trees for Christmas. You cut trees for Christmas. You celebrate Christmas. You celebrate them cutting trees. You celebrate them cutting trees. The black man is God. 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 Yeah! Yeah, voodoo, nigga. All my niggas locked up. All real men is locked up because they in resistance to the system. They don't know how to articulate it, but I do. I understand what the fuck they trying to and what the fuck they going through. You heard? The black man is God. 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 Let's get it. This planet is ours. It's ours. We coming for it. We coming for it. We coming for it. They gonna kill themselves and we gonna run it. Yeah, motherfucker. It's coming, nigga. It's coming. It's coming, nigga. God is coming. 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 Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah. Motherfucker, you feel the spirits of your ancestors, bitch. Because you don't know the spirits of your real ancestors. Your real ancestors against this motherfucking system. But you love the system. You in the system talking about you talking to your motherfucking ancestors. You ain't fucking talking to your ancestors. You fucking talking to them motherfucking house niggas. We fucking talking to them field niggas. We talking to them field niggas. Yeah. They hate us. It's a war between the house nigga and the field nigga. There's a war between the house nigga and the field nigga. There's a war between the house nigga and the field nigga. There's a war between the house nigga and the field nigga. There's a war between the house nigga and the field nigga. There's a war between the house nigga and the field nigga. What nigga you? What nigga you? What nigga you? There's a war between the house nigga and the field nigga. There's a war between the house nigga and the field nigga. What nigga you? Let's go. The black man is God. 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 And the black woman got a problem with it and she don't fucking know who the fuck she is. You know what time it is. The black woman is you. The black woman is you. That's your property. Your kids, your motherfucking wife is your property. Your woman and your motherfucking kids is your property. Your woman and your motherfucking kids is your property. Your woman and your motherfucking kids is your property. Your woman and your motherfucking kids is your property. Your woman and your motherfucking kids is your property. Your woman and your motherfucking property. The woman and your motherfucking kids is your property. The woman and your motherfucking kids is your property. The woman and motherfucking kids is your property. The woman and motherfucking is your property. The black man is God. The black man is God. The black man is God. 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 They don't want to fucking hear it. We're gonna keep saying it. We're gonna keep saying it. We're gonna keep putting the signal out. The black man is wake up, black man, wake up, black man, wake up. Don't wait for these women. Don't wait for these women. God, the black man is God. The black man is God. They don't want to fucking hear it. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. I'm 38. This bitch 20 fucking 3. I've been through this shit before. I know what I heard my daughter, she screaming, well, bitch, go fuck on a nigga tonight. You ain't got to make a download. You ain't got to download.